Good evening, everyone. This is day 9 of our Eucharistic exhibition. So we have with us Jolene and Jason. We'll be asking them some questions to answer. So Jolene, what has been your learning experience during this exhibition and the people you encountered during the exhibition?
Truthfully, I have not encountered many people, although I've explained to few people, but I've not encountered many people. But I loved their curiosity. As of me, I didn't have that curiosity when I started the exhibition. As when I started reading about all the miracles and all that, and suddenly I realized so much is happening around the world, and yet some of them don't even know about it. So the learning curve is that we must share this information, just how Calocutis decided to share this information through his websites. We are also here as youth. We should also learn how to share this miracles to everyone.
Very nice. So Jason, you have been coming here daily for mass every morning. So we are always very I don't know how to say, but we are always like, how can he come so early in the morning every day, even morning and night, go late in the night and then come back again. So we are very joyful to see you every time in the church. So what motivates you to do that?
Don't know about motivation, but something like felt like coming. But still remember when Father Cliffy called me like around 11 o'clock in the night, like Jason, sacristan ko kuch ho gaya hai, and tomorrow morning you have to come and you have to be the sacristan. I said, okay, Father, I'll like ho jayega. Like, what is there much? Like, I've been helping him much, so I know things. But when I started doing things, this, that, mic system, making the chalice ready, putting the host, then I felt like something is there that is touching over there. But that time we were in the hall. But when the church got ready and when we got a new altar, that fragrance, that smell, something was very different for me. Like first time it was something first time. Like it was there. And whenever like early morning I come for the mass, for the making of the altar, whenever I cover the altar, I always kiss the altar. That gives a joy, like satisfaction. Like, okay, this is the altar where Christ was sacrificed. The mass is happening, and like the Eucharist been celebrating today. Yes, sir. So I like that kind of thing, and making chalice like to make it looks nice. That like doesn't look bad when the priest is offering the chalice with the wine. So it doesn't look like it should be looking like the chalice what Christ raised on that time. And even the host also. Like sometimes I know sometimes the host is not soft. It's very soft. And Father tell me, Jason, this is very soft. And Father, okay, I'll try to do something. I put in the plastic or do something. So these all things me like for the mass, no, we need all these things, and that motivates me like to do something more to the church. Now, like I'm not in the parish also, but this youth welcome me always. So that also motivates me to come to the church every day, and getting up early, that's become a habit now. Like is become like the eyes get open automatically now. Like it doesn't need to be wake up, or it doesn't need an alarm also now. I just go to sleep and just woke up like it's between 4:30 now. I have to get up and come for mass now. And same like in evening now doing these days. So yes, it's hectic, but still God provides it.
The Eucharist is our highway to heaven.